What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to repair Windows 11 and fix corrupted files. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. The first troubleshooting method to repair Windows 11 and fix corrupted files is to open up your command prompt. Go to your Start menu search and type command prompt. Right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator. In your command prompt, use the command sfc Scan Now and hit Enter. This process will take some time to complete, usually around 2 to 5 minutes. If this method doesn't work for you, then you will need to use other commands. In your command prompt, type the command dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit Enter. This process will also take some time, depending on your system configuration and the amount of files that you have on your PC. Once the process is complete, restart your PC to check whether your issue is solved or not. If your issue still persists, try the following method. Restart your PC in safe mode. To do this, use the Windows key and R shortcut to open up your Run dialog. In the Run dialog box, type msconfig and click on OK. The system configuration window will appear. Here, navigate to the Boot tab and enable the Save Boot option by ticking the checkbox. Apply the changes and click on OK. Select the Restart option to apply these changes. Your PC will then restart in safe mode. After the restart, navigate to your Start menu search and search for command prompt. In your command prompt, type the command sfc/Scan Now and hit Enter. This process will take some time, like the previous one, depending on your system configuration. Once the process is complete, restart your PC into the normal mode. To do so, open Run by using the shortcut Windows key and R. In the Run dialog box, type msconfig and click on OK. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Boot tab and disable the Save Boot option. Apply the changes and click on OK. Select the Restart option to apply these changes. Lastly, go to your Start menu search and type System Restore. Click on the Create a Restore Point option. The System Properties window will appear. Navigate to System Protection and click on System Restore. A System Restore window will appear. Here, you will have two options: Recommended Restore or choose a different restore point. If you have previously created a System Restore point, select the second option and then click on Next. Select the System Restore point that you want to use and click on Next. Confirm your System Restore point and click on Finish. This might take some time to restore your computer. Once the process is complete, check whether the issue is resolved or not. Also, make sure to create a backup before running the System Restore point to avoid losing your important files. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.